Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the split screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is we're gonna open an app. And now over here, what we need to do is open the background apps. Now tap on the logo of the app at the top, and then we have the option open in split screen view. If you select it, the app will be at the top, and at the bottom we can select another app that we want to open. So let's say I'm gonna choose messages. And there we go. Now, there's also another way to do so, but it requires you to enable a gesture. So we need to go to the settings, scroll down to advanced features. Now over here, go to multi-window, and over here you have swipe for split screen. You need to enable this option, and if you go to this option, then you can also see the preview how it works. So now we can use our two fingers, swipe from the bottom to the middle, in order to activate the split screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.